Sit down. Shut brain. Gurucha teach magic money rock. Okay, Gurucha explains now.
Humans very strange. They work many moons, chase paper money, but forget money can grow like snowball rolling down big Colorado hill. Small at first, tiny, pathetic, like baby goat sneeze. But give it time, whoosh, snowball crush everything in path. That called compound interest. You put $100 in magic bank that grow 10% a year. Year later, $110. No big deal. But then brain melt. Interest also earn interest. So next year, you not just earn on $100, you earn on $110. That extra $10 make baby interest babies. Now Snowball not just roll, it breed. Ignore it, and you melt Snowball in hot sun of Netflix subscription, extra Starbucks, new shiny sneakers. Snowball never grow. You retire with $87,000 like average American old human. And then what? Eat cat food casserole. Live in cave made of credit card debt. Compound interest not sexy.
So,
it's slow,
which one
like watching
do we
tree grow.
choose today?
But slow tree become forest. Slow snowball become avalanche. Avalanche crush. Avalanche free. You decide which avalanche hit you. Your funny part.
Brain
Human brain
wants
stupid.
fire.
Brain like fire. Want big flame now. Not little spark later. That's why people buy iPhone every year, but not put $200 into 401k. Brains say, fire small now boring. Fire big now fun. But smart caveman see trick. You spend $200 on fancy dinner, you burp, then money gone. You put $200 into compound snowball at age 22. By age 65, snowball explode into more than $1 million. Million. That many spears, many goats, many caves. Yet most humans still say, me start later. No, later is death of snowball. 10 years delay mean mountain shrink by half. Basically, procrastination equals robbery by future self. You rob you. Dumbest robbery in history. So remember, brain trick you. Brain say eat marshmallow now. Gurucha say slap brain. Eat marshmallow later. With Marshmallow Factory you own. Alright, Gurucha back. You no run away yet? Good. Brain still hungry. Time for more wisdom smash. Okay, listen. Gurucha give you math spell. Not scary math with squiggly symbols. Easy 72. Math. Rule of 72. You take number 72, divide by percent return, boom. You know how long money take to double. Example, you earn 6%. 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12 years.
See?
Money double like rabbit family. You earn 12%. 72 divided by 12 is equal to 6 years. Money doubles so fast, you blink.
16.
Suddenly you rich caveman with 2 clubs instead of 1. But if you leave money in savings account
This
at
ice
0.5%, 72 divided by 0.5 is equal to 144 years. You die, your children die, your goats die, maybe your great-great-grandchildren finally see double. That's not snowball, that's sad ice cube. So rule of 72 is like seeing future with crystal rock. You don't need Wall Street wizard.
Sock
Just
drawer,
divide
neighbor.
72 and laugh at your neighbor who bury cash in sock drawer.
Time
Compound
is
snowball
king.
biggest secret. Time. Start early. Snowball roll longer. Crush bigger. Start late. Snowball look like weak snow cone from 7-Eleven. Story time. Sarah started at 22. Put $200 a month. Mike wait until 32. Same $200. By 65, Sarah got $1 million avalanche. Mike, he got half. Half! Same work, less goat. Why? Because Mike lazy goat who wait. This not about being genius. This about being early. Even caveman know. Throw spear early, catch mammoth. Throw spear late, mammoth gone. You eat berries and cry. So if you young, start now. If you old, still start. Better small snowball than no snowball. But don't wait for mammoth to walk back into cave. And not coming. Gurucha final wisdom drop now. Brain hold tight. Snowball about to smash into you. Okay, human, time for choice. You can let money sleep lazy in cave, or you can make money wake up, do push-ups, and multiply like rabbits on spring break. How? Simple. You put money in place that grow, 401k, IRA, index fund. No need magic Wall Street handshake. No need insider go trading. Just steady drip every month. Snowball roll whether you watch or not. Remember, you not need 6-figure salary. You not need genius brain. You need patience. time and little courage to stop buying shiny rock shoes every 2 moons. Ask yourself right now, is my snowball rolling toward freedom or regret? Freedom tastes like roasted mammoth feast. Regret tastes like soggy moss.
That all. Me make more soon. You subscribe or me sad. Gurucha vanish now. Pooh.